Assalamualaikum viewers, how are you all? I hope my all friends YouTube community will be fine and doing great. God bless you. First of all, welcome to my YouTube channel Hidden Decoration. I'm very thankful to you for subscribing my channel and watching me all the previous videos. Also thanks to connected with me and supporting me. Dear friends, in this video I'm going to show you beautiful and splendid designs of garden shed. So guys, before get you started, don't forget to like and share this video if it is helpful for you. So subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates and designs of garden and home decoration tips and hacks. Dear friends, creating shade in your garden is essential for comfort and to protect plants from excessive sunlight. Here are several garden shade ideas together, such as pergola, arbors, shade cells, umbrellas, shade structure, retractable awnings, hanging, shade loving plants, trellises, and lettuce. When planning your garden shed, consider the orientation of your garden, prevailing and wind direction, and the specific needs of your plants and outdoor activities. Install trellis and lettuce with climbing plants like jasmine to create shade along fences or walls. They also add vertical interest to your garden. Different grow shade living plants like ferns. Certain varieties of hydrangeas in shaded area of your garden to naturally choose environment and provide a green canopy. Create shade with dense hedges or shrubs plant close together. Evergreen varieties provide year-round coverage and privacy. Plant tall trees strategically around your garden to provide natural shade. Dear friends, I hope you love and enjoy these beautiful designs and ideas of garden shed. Construct shed structures such as gazebos or pavilions with solid roofs or fabric coverings. They provide substantial shade and can include sitting area or dining spaces underneath. Larger patio umbrellas are portable and adjustable, making them ideal for shading specific area. They come in a different colors and styles to match your garden decor. So dear friends, it's a humble request. Please subscribe my channel. After subscribing my YouTube channel, you will receive latest and new updates related to home decoration and garden decoration tips and tricks. So be connected with me. Don't forget press the bell icon. After press the bell icon, you will receive latest and new updates. I will meet you in my next video. Take care.